Okay, so I recently saw this tweet from Brian Castellucci. The tweet says that an encoded avatar image can be put inside the author email field. At first, I thought that it must be an April Fool's joke, but then I decided to give it a shot anyways. Like, what could go wrong? Well, last time I said something like that, I bricked my phone by entering a date. But anyways, I've tried it and it actually worked. As you can see, we now have Ryan's avatar on our terminal. It is super impressive and scary at the same time. I say scary because it uses a principle called terminal escape injection, which is basically using escape sequences to make modifications, like move cursor up, edit this and that, and so on. To learn more about it, you can check the links in the description down below. And as always, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. Take care.